Good morning. We are on week 22. We've only got 3 weeks left of the Hope Does campaign. This week, our verse is going to be Ephesians chapter 4, verse 1 through about verse 6. And in those verses, it talks about the one hope of our calling. Our hope as Christians is not just a living hope, but it is a unified hope. If we have our hope in God, then we know that we have our hope in the same God as every other Christian. And so we should seek unity with other Christians. We should seek peace with all men and unity, especially with the saints. And so that is your task. I want you to think of a Christian that is maybe a little bit outside of your circle right now. They are somebody that you don't do as much with, but maybe you think it would be good to reach out to them. It would be good to get to know them a little better. And I want you to do exactly that. I want you to take somebody outside of your circle and bring them a little bit closer. Reach out to them, either invite them to something that you maybe wouldn't have normally, or have them over to your house, or call them on the phone just to see how they're doing. Reach out and make sure that you are drawing near to others who have that one hope that you have. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 1 through 6, hope seeks unity. That's your verse, that's your task. We'll see you on Thursday. Have a good day.